Hello, thank you for joining me for this new and exciting tips tutorial on the Shengshou 7-axis cube. Let's get started. So this is the Shengshou 3x3 because it's got the 3 layers and it's called the 7-axis cube. It's got like 5 corners or 5 sides like that. Really interesting puzzle. um, yeah, so tonight I'm going to show how to do the centers and I'm going to do one more step on the bottom. So just one thing to note for when you're solving this puzzle, the white is on the bottom, yellow's on top, so you know, because if you try solving it the reverse way where the yellow's on the bottom, it's not going to work. So, okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the blue and orange. It goes over here on this side where the blue and orange is right here. It fits right here. So I'm going to show a little trick here or a little interesting note to know to show you step by step how to do this. So we're going to bring this over here, but I'm going to show you what happens. So we'll bring this around the blue and orange like this. We'll bring it around to this side, here to here, but it's not solved, so it's backwards. So what we got to do is we'll bring it back to where it was on this side again. The blue and red solved, so it's matching here, but what you got to do is if you can't fit it, whatever color you have, if it's not going that direction, you got to cycle it all the way around and then you can put it in. So we'll just cycle this around going to the right. There. Bring it over here. And then we'll cycle it around over here. So it did work on that side. Because sometimes, like with this puzzle, you got to cycle it around so you know. It's not exactly, you could just bring it over here and it fits. Sometimes you got to go all the way around the puzzle to put it in. So next we'll do the green and purple. So I think we may have to cycle. Let's just check it. We're going to bring it around. Yeah. So this is not working like that. So we cycle it around again. So we'll just bring it around. And when you bring it around, don't worry about if this is solved or whatever. Just bring it around and then come back and then put it back in place. I'll show you what I mean. So bring it around like that, and then we'll bring it around. So now it's in. Green and purple's matching. Then we'll bring this back like this. Oops, we'll bring this back like this. Blue and red. So you got to sometimes cycle all this around just to put the pieces back in place. See, I had to recycle it around to get pieces in place. So next we're going to do the purple and orange. It goes over on this side here. So we'll do the same thing. We're going to cycle it around again. So we'll just bring it around like this. So purple and orange. Like that. There we go. We'll check to make sure. Let's bring this back. Put it back in place. Make sure that everything's back in place. And there we go. I think we solved our full center layer all the way around. Yes. So I just wanted to show that just so you know, because sometimes it could get confusing if you're not sure about that, like cycling it around, because that's pretty much how you're going to solve the center layer. So, okay, so now that's done. We're going to solve these bottom outer edges or edges, whatever you want to call it, the edges here. So what goes right here is, since there's a white, it's white and purple. So the white and purple is right here. So easy way to do this, just so you don't mess up the centers, is you always want to keep it off to the side here. Don't, you could do it like this if you want, and it's solved, but the centers are flipped. So what we want to do is put it off to the side here every time, and we'll just bring this up here like this. We'll bring it over to match with the purple and the white, and then we'll bring it down like that. So it's in white and purple, and the centers are still in place. So that's what you want to do. I'll give you another example. We got white and red. We don't want to just bring it down like that because it's in place, but the centers are flipped. We don't want to do that. So we'll put it off to the side here. We'll bring this up. Bring the white and red over to match like this. And then we'll cycle it around like that. So the white and red's in place. Let's see, white and green. We'll bring that over here. So we'll bring this up. We'll bring it up like this. Bring the white and green over to match like that. And then we'll cycle it down like that. I think we have one more or two more. So white and blue and white and blue and white and orange. So we'll just bring this up, get it out of the way. We'll push it to the side here. And actually we'll push it over to the side over here like that. We'll bring this back around so it's still solid. Okay, so we'll bring this up because we need to put the white and orange right here. So we'll bring this up like this. Bring the white and orange over and bring it down like that. It's in place, white and orange. And then we got the white and blue, so we'll just put that off to the side here. Oops, sorry. Like that on the left side. Bring the white and blue up, or the blue up like that. Bring the white and blue over like that so it matches. Then we'll bring it down. 1, 2. So let's check. Our white and blue's in place, white and red, white and green, white and purple, white and orange. So I showed you the first two steps. That's to put the centers in all the way around like that, and then put these edges in on the bottom. So I just want to do a quick tips tutorial on that just to get you started on this puzzle. Show you step by step how to do it. Yeah, so I'll be doing another video this weekend, maybe on Saturday. Yeah, on Saturday I'll do a video, and we'll put these edges in, and then we'll put the centers like this. Show how to do that step by step. So yeah, thank you for joining me for this tips tutorial on the Shengshou 7-axis 3x3 cube. If you have any questions or comments, just drop the comment in the comment section below, and I will reply to you. And also, if you want to talk about any other puzzles or anything else about cubing, or if you want to talk about anything, just leave a comment. I will reply to you. I always reply every single time. I always reply. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate your time, and happy Friday, everyone. Have a great day.